Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Fire Riot cooking pot set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna try it out and I'll show you what it looks like.
This aluminum stock pot is crafted with premium grade aluminum and it has a capacity of 30 quarts. It is lightweight and durable and a great option to use for all kinds of purposes like boiling seafood, steaming vegetables, or even as a deep fryer. It also has a designed sturdy wire rack that helps securely hold whole turkeys or chickens or large cuts of meat, making it possible to deep fry large batches of food to thoroughly cook it to achieve a crispy golden finish. The heavy-duty steel lift handle has a capacity of supporting up to 50 pounds, giving us confidence and safety when removing the fully cooked food from the boiling pot. It also has a built-in thermometer that helps us monitor the oil, water, or steam temperatures precisely. This set is the all-in-one outdoor kit that we have the stock pot, the lid, hook, turkey stand, lift handle, as well as the precision thermometer all together, making it a great option for camping trips, backyard cookouts, tailgating, seafood boiling, or even traditional turkey frying. If you are in the market for an all-in-one multi-purpose stock pot, this is definitely worth looking into.